Hi, my name is Anna Hellman. Thanks for being here with me today. Have you thought about trying to make handmade cards, but you're just not sure exactly where to start? Or are you already a crafter and you would love a way to be able to take some of your supplies to maybe a friend's house or on vacation with you without having to lug your whole craft collection along with you? Or are you a crafter and you would love to have some more friends to craft with you, but they're a little overwhelmed by maybe your big craft collection and they're not exactly sure where to start? Well, if you are in any of those situations, I have something to share with you today that I think you're going to love. And they are our new kits collection by Stampin' Up. We have a whole bunch of these that are super quick and easy to put together, and everything you need is contained in this little box right here. So I am going to share with you one and show you how quick and easy it is to put together. So to get information on these kits, make sure you can use the link in the video description below to take a look at all the kits we have available, order one. One of the great things about these is they're between $12 and $20. So it's a really great price to take a craft on the go with you, get together with a friend, meet up virtually through FaceTime or Zoom, craft with a friend that way. So watch along and I'll show you how fun and easy these are to put together.